Ever wondered how those super tall buildings stay up when the ground shakes? Let's dive into the exciting world of earthquake-resistant buildings. First up, flexible foundations. Imagine a tree in the wind. If it bends, it doesn't break. Tall buildings use similar flexible foundations that move with the ground, absorbing the shock so the building doesn't crack. Next, we have base isolators. Think of these like car shocks. They're special pads placed between the building and the ground. When an earthquake hits, the base isolators absorb the shaking, letting the building stay steady while the ground moves beneath it. Now, let's talk about shear walls. These are strong vertical walls that act like a backbone for the building. They spread out the shaking force evenly so the building doesn't wobble too much. Then there's cross-bracing. Imagine big, strong X-shapes made of steel inside the building. These X-shapes help keep the building stable by spreading out the forces from an earthquake. High up in some skyscrapers, you'll find tuned mass dampers. These are huge weights that move in the opposite direction of the building's sway during an earthquake. This movement helps balance the building and reduce the swaying. Tall buildings are made with super strong materials like reinforced concrete and steel. These materials are tough, but can also bend a little without breaking, making them perfect for earthquake resistance. Before building, engineers use computer models to predict how the building will behave in an earthquake. They test and tweak designs to make sure they'll work. Famous buildings like Taipei 101 and the Burj Khalifa use these techniques to stay safe and strong. So, next time you see a tall building, remember the amazing science and engineering that keeps it standing during an earthquake. From flexible foundations to high-tech dampers, these structures are designed to protect and impress. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of engineering.